The fate of Dr. William Husel, now in the hands of the jury. NBC4's Dan Perlman joining us now live from the Franklin County Courthouse with what unfolded in the former Mount Carmel doctor's trial today. Dan, fill us in.
Well, Brad, the jury began deliberating around 10 a.m. They took about an hour for lunch. A couple of hours later, they had a question that was answered, and then they continued those deliberations as this next part of this process plays out. The day in court began where yesterday left off. After a brief discussion about the defense's motion for a mistrial, Judge Michael Holbrook overruled the motion, and then the jury was brought in. 2 alternate jurors were sworn in to serve on the jury of 12 that'll decide this case, and then Judge Holbrook read the jury instructions. On each of the 14 counts, if the jury finds Husel not guilty of murder, the jurors are instructed to consider the lesser included offense of attempted murder, as now they deliberate, a process Rick Simmons from the Ohio State University Moritz College of Law suspects may take some time.
I would be surprised if they came back even in 2 or 3 days. I think it'll take 3 or 4 or 5 days, maybe a week, to go through all the charges. There are 14 different alleged victims here and multiple charges possible for each one, and a lot of evidence they have to sift through. Over 50 witnesses, a lot of expert testimony, a lot of very complicated medical issues they have to work through. So I would expect it to take a good amount of time.
So there really is no way to know just how long deliberations will take. That really is in the hands of the jury. I can tell you that jurors did go home for the day a short time ago. They are expected back here at the courthouse at 9 o'clock to resume those deliberations tomorrow. Local for you at the Franklin County Courthouse, Dan Perlman, NBC4.
Yeah, it has been long and complicated, Dan. Thank you. If you want to get caught up in the case, wait for the jury's decision. We have a timeline on the whole investigation. It's on our website, NBC4i.com. For a mobile push alert when the jury reaches a verdict, be sure to download the NBC4 News app. It is free.